Welcome to your first month at university, a complete survival guide to help you navigate this exciting new chapter. The first month is all about adjustment, discovery, and building a foundation for your future success. Step onto campus with confidence as you begin to explore everything this vibrant community has to offer. Let's dive into how you can manage your studies effectively from day one. Organization is your best friend. Start by mapping out every assignment and exam date. Explore the campus to find the perfect quiet corner or collaborative library area that helps you focus. Engage fully in your first lectures by participating, asking questions, and getting to know your professors. Building your social network is just as important as your academic performance. From dorm hallways to lecture halls, put yourself out there and find your group. Learn to manage your time so you can enjoy events without falling behind on your responsibilities. Living on your own requires a new set of adulting skills. Stay on top of your finances by creating a simple weekly budget that tracks where your money goes. Eating well fuels your brain. Try to plan your meals to stay healthy and save on dining costs. Never sacrifice your sleep or mental health for an extra hour of studying. Your tuition covers a wealth of support services. Make sure you use them. The library is more than books. It's a hub for research help and academic tutoring. Know where the campus health center is located and how to access their services if you feel unwell. You are ready to take on this challenge. Remember, stay organized, get involved, and take care of your physical and mental health. Take a deep breath and enjoy the journey ahead. You have everything you need to succeed. As you wrap up this guide, remember that every successful graduate started exactly where you are today. Maintain your sense of wonder and curiosity as you explore new subjects and meet diverse people. Keep your goals in sight, but be flexible enough to change your mind as you discover new passions. Adjusting to university life takes time, so be patient with yourself throughout the process. Reaching out to mentors or peers is a sign of strength and essential for your growth. Collaborating with others will often lead to better outcomes and meaningful connections. Say yes to new experiences, whether it's a guest lecture, a workshop, or a social gathering. The friendships and professional networks you build now will last far beyond your graduation date. Your time is your most precious resource, so invest it in things that align with your long-term goals. Managing your finances effectively now will give you the freedom to focus on what truly matters later. Listening deeply in lectures and during conversations is the secret to true learning. Don't be afraid to voice your ideas, as your perspective adds value to the campus community. Passing your first quiz or finishing an essay on time deserves a moment of appreciation. Moving your body is a proven way to reduce stress and boost your overall mental clarity. You aren't alone. There is a place and a group for everyone on this campus. When things get challenging, remember your why and look to those who support you. Education is not just about the classroom. It is about every experience you encounter. Keep your eyes on the horizon, knowing that every step today is a step toward your future. You are capable, prepared, and ready for all the challenges and rewards that university brings. Go out there and make these next few years your own. Welcome to the university family. Efficient time management will be your greatest asset throughout your university career. Adopt simple, time-saving strategies to ensure you stay productive without burning out. Always clarify assignments early. Engaging with your professors early on shows initiative and ensures you understand expectations. Making meaningful connections is just as vital as your academic achievements. Be open to meeting people from all walks of life. These are the networks that often last a lifetime. Remember to leave room for spontaneity, but keep your core responsibilities at the center of your routine. Balancing your social life with your studies requires intentionality and a willingness to say no when necessary. Taking charge of your daily life is a rewarding part of the university experience. Consistent budgeting provides the peace of mind needed to fully focus on your academic growth. Fueling your body with whole foods and hydration will sustain your energy through long days of lectures. Never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep to keep your focus sharp and your mood balanced. Take advantage of the wide array of resources specifically designed for student success. The library isn't just for books. It's a sanctuary for research and finding academic support. Your health is paramount. Ensure you know where the wellness center is and how to reach them. As we conclude this guide, know that you are fully equipped for this adventure. Carry these lessons forward. Plan well, connect deeply, and nurture your physical and mental health. The best is yet to come. Enjoy your university journey Embrace every challenge and celebrate your growth.